Hi everyone, welcome to the Long Beach Real Estate Market Update for August 2025, where we make sense of the market data so you can make an educated decision when it comes to buying or selling a home. The median sales price in August was $800,000, down 3% from the median sales price in July, and also down 3% from the median sales price in August of last year. The trend for price reductions continues. 61% of the homes sold in the past 30-day period sold below their listing price, while only 36% sold above. Inventory or month supply is at 3.9 months, down 2.5% from 4-month supply in July, and up 8% from 3.6 month supply in August of last year. The median number of days on market was 19 days, which is up 11% from 17 days in July. This is up 35% from last August's 14 days on market. New listings are down 21% to 232, and active listings are down 4% to 701. Versus last year, new listings are down 20% and active listings are up 8%. Closed sales took a 2% step down to 199 in August. This is up about 5% versus last August's 190. Interest rates continue to hover between the 5.59% and the 6.31% range, depending on your personal financial profile and the particular loan product you choose. If you tried to buy a home a few years ago, you probably still remember the buying frenzy that was happening during that time. Homes were listed one day and gone the next. Sometimes it only took hours. You had to drop everything to see a house, and if you hesitated even slightly, someone else would swoop in and purchase that property, sometimes even sight unseen. That type of intensity pushed a lot of buyers to the sidelines. It was stressful and chaotic, and for many, it was really discouraging. But those days seem to be behind us. Today's market is moving slower in the best possible way, and it's creating more opportunity for buyers who felt left out in recent years. According to the latest national data, homes are spending an average of 58 days on the market, and that's much more normal. And it's a big improvement compared to the height of the pandemic, when homes were simply flying off the shelves. That means you now have more time to make decisions than you have at any point in the past 5 years. And that's a big deal. Time to think, time to negotiate, and time to make a decision without all the pressure. Based on the data in the previous graph, you have an extra week to make a decision compared to last year, and nearly double the time that you had during the market's peak. Back then, the fear of missing out drove buyers to act fast, sometimes too fast. Today, the pace is slower, so you have more control. With more homes on the market and fewer buyers to grab them, the balance has shifted. Bidding wars aren't as common, and that means you have more room to negotiate. You can actually take a breath before you make a decision. But, as always, I want you to remember that it depends on where you're buying. Yes, nationally, homes are moving slower, but your local market dictates your real pace. Again, some states are moving faster than others. It may even vary down to the specific zip codes or neighborhoods that you're interested in. Check out this map to see how your state compares to the national average. A smart local agent can tell you exactly when to move fast and when you can take your time, so you never miss the right home for you. Bottom line, if the chaos of the past few years has given you pause, this is your green light. The market's pace has shifted, giving you more time, more options, and more power. If you have any questions about anything we've talked about today, or would like some data about an area outside of Long Beach, please reach out to me. My name is Brandon Pettis. See you next month.